Hello everyone, welcome back to NextGen ICT. You're watching HTML Day 6, and today we're going to learn something you see on almost every website. Lists. From navigation menus to steps, features, and bullet points, lists help organize content in a clean and readable way. So today we'll learn how to create unordered lists, ordered lists, and description lists in HTML. Let's get started. So first, what exactly is a list? A list is used to group related items together in a structured way. Instead of writing content in one long paragraph, lists make information easier to read and understand. HTML provides different types of lists depending on how you want your content to appear. Let's start with unordered lists. An unordered list displays items with bullet points. This type of list is commonly used for menus, features, and general information. To create an unordered list, we use UL for the list container, LI for each list item. Here's an example. Each LI represents one item in the list. You cannot place text directly inside UL. It must always be inside LI. Now let's talk about ordered lists. Ordered lists display items in a numbered format, which is perfect for steps, instructions, or rankings. We use OL for the list, LI for each item. Example, the browser automatically numbers the items for you. If the order matters, you should always use an ordered list. Next is the description list. This type of list is used when you want to display terms and their explanations. A description list uses DL for the list, DIT for the term, DD for the description. Example, description lists are great for definitions, FAQs, and glossaries. Now let's look at some common mistakes beginners make when working with lists. Forgetting to use LI inside UL or OLE, mixing list types incorrectly, writing text directly inside UL or OL, incorrect nesting of lists. Remember, structure matters in HTML. Now it's time for practice. Try this on your own. Create an unordered list of your favorite technologies. Create an ordered list of steps to learn HTML. Create a description list explaining HTML and CSS. Practice is the fastest way to improve. So today you learned what lists are in HTML, how to create unordered lists, how to create ordered lists, how to use description lists. In the next lesson, HTML. Day 7, we'll learn how to create tables in HTML. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for NextGen ICT. Keep practicing, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.